Manipur thokliba irang asida nakpak tanaduna politics tawbangi matam natte tangdu leitaba hanjinnaba pumnamak na hotnaba changi haina CPI gi General Secretary D Razana phongdorakli wafam asi numit marini gi khongchatang asi Imphal da thunglakhiba CPI gi General Secretary D Razana paumi kharaga unaba amada phongdokhibane CPI gi delegate marina sabat team amang asi nungthil pung mari ga makhairom taba duaida Birdikendrajet International Airport ta thunglakibane team maduda CPI gi National Secretary ke Narayana Ramkrishna Pandamadi National Council CPI gi Asomi Gogoisu Yauraki delegation aduna Imphal da thunglabaga Manipur State Council gi Thomi Singh na taramnoki tungda paumi kharaga unaba amada di Razan hai Manipur si CPI gi oina yamna maroi balamda mamane mafam asida jananeta irabot pokhribani Manipur da hausi goiriba fibam masi tangdu leitaba fibam da hanjil hannaba amadi kanglu furup ki marakta nungsi chanaba purakna bahona bahaibasi party asigi chapchaba fidepni mahaki khongsat asida tongan basi so singi mihup sing unabata natana relief camp ta leiriba mioi singa su unagani hauziki matam asida kangluf naina nakpak tanaduna politics tawbagi matam natte tangdu leitaba hanjil hannaba haiba asida ahanba mityeng thamduna kangluf furup ki marakta nungsi chanaba purakna bahona ba mathautai haina mahakna makhataki.
No, not only my personal opinion, my party's opinion. We should put an end to this politics of polarization, politics of hate. We should promote harmony among the different sections of the people in Manipur. There should not be hatred. Hate politics should come to an end, and politics of polarization should come to an end. And this is what we have been telling the Prime Minister and the Parliament also. Yeah, because this double-engine government, they speak. Why double-engine government has failed? What is the root cause for this violence, turmoil, and how to resolve the present crisis? That is what we should work out.
Hauzik thokliba irang asigi waroisin purakna bahotnabada kari karamba khongthang paikhatpa mathautai haina hangba wahang amagi paukhum piraduna mahangna makhata na hai lamdam asida thokliba irang asida government of India na chana bathabak amata paiba ngamdana leiriba si yamna laibak thibani irang asi lakshana bahotnabada lengak asi fail oire irang asigi matangda prime minister na chapchaba wafam amata phongdokpa ngamdri parliament na amahai independence day gi thoramdana amahai tawduna irang asigi matangda paikhatkadaba khongthang sing miyamda chap chana khangan balai irang asi lakshana bahona bada Manipur miyam da lairiba wakhalon amadi political party singi wakhalon lengak na munna khangba maru oi adu bahari ba khongthang sing asi lengak na paikhat pa ude haina mahakna nungnangba phongdoki.
But the issues were raised inside Parliament and outside Parliament. One thing has been made very clear: the present regime has failed. That has been made clear, and everyone admits also. Even many intellectuals have spoken out openly. The present regime has failed. Then what to do? What next? There, the union government is not telling anything. Even Mr. Modi spoke about that violence against women only once. Then in Parliament he said something. On Independence Day he said something. But what exactly the government is thinking to do? It is not clear. People should be taken into confidence. And people of Manipur should be taken into confidence.